There are a number of channels making a ton of money with YouTube Shorts, racking up millions of views and revenue without even showing their faces. Like, look at this Shorts channel. They get millions of views and revenue from just posting shorts on YouTube. They consistently create viral concepts and high retention shorts that keep viewers hooked. But how are they doing it? I found a trick that this channel used. This trick is very easy, and by using this, you can make your Shorts channel easily monetized. Today, we'll learn how to create AI animated videos like this one with one secret tool. As you can see, this looks flawless. Trust me, you can make these animated shorts in seconds and earn a ton of money. The name of the tool is Filmora. Filmora is an awesome editing software for content creators. With new AI features, it's getting faster and more efficient, so you can head up to Filmora through the link in description. So to make AI animation videos, first we'll generate AI generated images. So let's go to Toolbox to create AI images. This is the interface, and as you can see, I've generated some images before and they look spectacular. So let's write our prompt. With the Settings tab, you can change the aspect ratio of the image. By pressing the General tab, you can select the category of the image that you want to generate. And as you can see, you have a ton of options to choose from. I'm going to choose the AGC as my category for animation videos. Now just click on Generate, and with only 10 credits, you'll get 4 images. As you can see, the images look awesome. Now let's animate these images. I've imported all the clips onto the timeline, and I'll animate them one by one. Now press this image to video icon. I've selected the first image, then press on timeline, then portrait, then submit. Here you can type the prompt for your animation. This is my prompt for the animation. After typing it, I'll press generate and it will take 40 credits for the animation. Here is the animation, and it looks amazing. Like, look at the movements, it looks very seamless. Now I'll do the same for every scene and image. Now to find all the animations, just head up to My Files and import them to the timeline. After that, we'll make voiceover for our story. For that, just head up to Audio tab. Here you have all the audio features here like AI music that we'll check out later. But for now, we'll click on Text to Speech. On the left, you can paste your script, and on the right, you have your voices. You can also clone your own voice, which is pretty cool. And here you can select your language. Now let's check out some voices.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
I like this one. I think it will suit our story. After that, just click on Try Free and your voiceover will be generated in seconds. The voiceover is generated. Now, let's add some spice to the edit. You can also add various transitions and effects in your video to make it look more visually appealing. You have a ton of transitions to choose from. You can just drag and drop them in between the edit points. Now let's use AI to make music. Filmora already has a ton of songs to choose from different categories and genres. But I'm gonna test the AI music of Filmora. Here you can choose the genre of the music. I'm gonna keep it happy. And on the Settings tab, you can select the tempo, duration, and count. I'm going to reduce the duration for the Shorts format. Now, just click on Generate and your music will be generated. As you can see, we have 3 options to choose from. Let's play them. I like the first one. Let's download it. You can also alter the audio settings on the right. You also have AI Voice Enhancer to enhance your audio. To download, just click on Export and you can change the export settings according to your needs.
In a quiet golden pasture, Max, a tiny dog with big floppy ears, wandered alone. Then he saw Lily, a kind-hearted girl with a warm smile. She knelt down, petting Max gently, and the two became instant friends. Together they played under the setting sun, sharing laughter and love. As the sky turned orange and purple, Max and Lily sat side by side, their hearts full of friendship, in the peaceful glow of the evening.
Pretty cool, right? Not only this, you can make viral AI hugging videos also using Filmora. Just head up to Image to Video and you'll see a ton of options such as AI Hug, AI Kiss, AI fight, along with custom video creation for personalized results. Just select 2 images that you want to animate, and in the picture mode, select stitch mode. For this animation, it will take 250 credits, so let's click on generate. This looks awesome. Like, this is so seamless. You can easily create viral shorts from this. Not only this, you have a ton of features that you can try out with Filmora. From a video editor to an AI powerhouse, Filmora is an awesome tool for content creators. Here is the pricing of Filmora, and in my opinion, it's worth it. You can check out Filmora through the link in description. If you made it this far, just consider subscribing to my channel, and if you want to know how I expose Mr. Beast, just click on this video and I'll see you there.